All right, we've got some strength in the price of crude oil on Tuesday. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in this, this description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So a couple things. So crude oil is looking more and more bullish, particularly after today. And you could see this is just something I didn't even notice till just now. We're breaking out of the symmetrical triangle on the relative strength index, which measures momentum. You could see the 20 moving average has started to turn up for the first time since way back here. You could also see resistance of the 20 on this day, support of the 20. The 20 is the purple, of course. Support of the 20 yesterday that ended with a relatively bearish day. That's a shooting star bearish candle. So that would indicate a possible top on this rally, but that was negated today with a breakout above yesterday's high, and there's a good chance today's high will be above yesterday's high, a 63.74, and that would be another bullish confirmation, a strengthening of this double bottom that comes off this higher low. And therefore the higher targets become more likely. Now, that doesn't mean they're gonna happen with prices going straight up before any kind of pullback. But getting back above the 20 and staying above the 20 increases the chance that the same thing may happen with the 50. And it's still too early to say because as we approach this next zone right here, with this high right here, 64.06, and the 50 moving average at 64.53, we want to also take a quick look at the weekly because you can see that that is also a weekly high. That means a breakout above 64.06 will be another breakout above a weekly high and further confirmation of a bullish reversal, or I should say further indication of a bullish reversal on the weekly time frame. And the weekly time frame has dominance over the shorter daily time frame. So, and this is a very sharp decline. So the chance of this decline going back more towards an average, which right now would be defined by this trend line, let's say, are pretty high, I would say, given what we've seen recently. Okay, after this second low. I'm going back to the daily again. So that puts some higher targets as a possibility, but it first needs to break above and close above the 50, then break above and close above this lower swing high here at 65.32. This is most significant, getting above there and staying above there. And then, after that, we'll have to see. It is rising no matter what into resistance of this larger declining trend and this sideways channel here and the 200 moving average over here currently 70.33. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great week.